So hey everybody, this is going to be a wig, get ready with me, a start to finish from Sogoodhair. And this wig is going to be the Yanie wig, and it's a 22-inch loose wave unit, and it does have a fake scalp, which you guys will see soon. And the fake scalp is definitely something new to me, but it gives you an extra layer of lace, so it looks like a fake scalp. You don't really have to wear a cap underneath because it's already basically done for you. So it also comes with pre-bleached knots, and it matches perfectly with the pre-made fake scalp, so there's a natural scalp parting. And also the wig is again Yanie from Sogoodhair. This wig is also pre-plucked, pre-bleached, loose wave, and it's definitely amazing. Like, this hair was thick all the way to the tips. So from root to tip, this wig was thick, full, definitely the bomb. Normally I get a lot of wigs that are super thin, but this just is bomb. And as you guys can see from this little clip right here, I'm showing you where they bleached the knots because some of the hair is a little discolored from the bleaching of the knots. So I just want you guys to see that. And also with this wig comes with the transparent lace, so you really didn't have to pluck it, but I am going to pluck it some more just because I wanted it a little bit thinner in the front because I have a really small head, so a lot of hair tends to look like basically a cap on me, or like a baseball cap, and I didn't want that. So anyway, this hair was super healthy. The cap is breathable, and everything is basically already done for you, and it is affordable. Now, when I say affordable for good quality hair, I mean like this wig is probably about $200 and something. This was sent to me to review for you guys. But I highly recommend this company just off the strength that this hair quality is actually the bomb. And I probably am going to go back in and bleach this hair just to give it a new color when I'm done with it this way, because I had an event to go to. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this start to finish video, and please let me know if you guys have any questions in the comment area, and I'll leave everything in the description for you guys. Oh yeah.
I can't think of his name, but I was saying he did it.